Okay, so this week I have already hosted a webinar for all my students, and that is a special tutorial. So I'm not going to make a live webinar for everyone. So I'm going to use the next 10 minutes to basically to cover all the markets. Right. So okay, let's first look at the euro dollar. Euro dollar has a pink bar formed in last week in the non-farm payroll day. Okay, previously we have already told you guys that we have to take some profit. All right, it's always good to take some profit of your previous shorting position, right? Because the price is keep going lower and lower, lower. So at any of time, there may be some kind of profit taking of the short, and the price may have a rally. Okay, and we do find that the NFP, okay, the before that it has a good point to short from 1.1729. Okay, and the price did goes down all the way to 1.1616. Okay, and this is a very good example of inside bar. Right, so inside bar, I discovered this inside bar here, and you can see at the point it breaks down, right? When the point it breaks down 1.16554, okay, and I just catch it on the spot immediately. Okay, the price fall, okay, and gave me 1-to-1. All right, this is a great inside bar. We catch the momentum, right? So it breaks down. Once it breaks down 1.16553, there's a lot of seller comes in and join the queue and push the price all the way to 1-to-1. Okay, so if you catch the trading in inside bar, you should take some profit at 1.1625, and the rest will be hit break even stop loss, and you can reshort it when the euro comes back to the 4-hour 89 EMA, which is here. Okay, so in this week, we have a 89 EMA here, and there is a pin bar formed. Okay, so this pin bar form is actually a respect of this 89 EMA. And look left, right? The euro still cannot break through the structure here. Okay, the structure is very important because we can see that a lot of buyers, okay, are trapped at these levels, right? The buyer breakdown becomes seller control, seller control, seller control, and the pin bar seller control. Okay, and good thing is, okay, now the price is below 8 EMA again, right? So this is kind of the moving averages. Okay, the short-term moving average, okay, goes near or goes closer to the long term, and it may just goes down again. Okay, and right now it is good that we short from this pin bar pullback, right? So this is a great pin bar pullback retest. Okay, we can see here, if you catch today's this level, is almost a 618. Okay, just missed by two pips, right? But look left. Okay, this is very good structure. Okay, the structure you can see in a 1-hour chart, right? It's very clear that this candle. Okay, so guys, you need to watch how to describe different candles, each candles, right? This is engulfing. An engulfing candle formed. The second one break down, make a lower low and retest the engulfing part. The third one, another retest of engulfing part. So makes this 1.17165 and 1.1721 is a very, very good structure. So that if price ever come back to here, right, you should put your trigger to sell because it is very close to the 618 level. And look left, we have good structure, and don't forget it is still below 4 hours 89 EMA, right? It's still below the 4-hour 89 EMA. So this is give us a very good shorting. This is actually a buyer's 1 try, 2 try, failed to break new high, and the price has come down. Now this 4-hour have just break the structure here, right? And looks like this doji is kind of retest this area. So the good, you can actually take this short here. Okay, and look back on the 1-hour chart. It's even good, better, right? Because we can see that 1.1676. There's a huge buyer force. A lot of people buy here. Okay, buyer, and breakdown. And now it's pulled back and it forms a pin bar doji. All right. So this is kind of a structure breakdown and pullback. So if you are here, you can actually take this short. All right. We want to take this short. Okay, pull back to the area and you short, and just to enjoy the next downfall. Right? It may test the pin here. It may test the structure of 1.1550. Okay, this will be the ultimate target for this 1 hour chart trade. All right. Well, of course, your stop loss should be above this pin 1.1718. Okay, but that still give you a very good like 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. All right, this is for the euro. Okay, let's go back to sterling. Okay, sterling is kind of a range, right? Ranging session. Price kind of moves up, okay, to get rid of this previous downtrend channel, and the price trying to make a higher high, but it's still a bearish trend. Okay, we can see that the long-term 89 EMA is here. Okay, the short-term is here. So just to be ready that the price may just slowly go back to the 89 EMA to when the long-term EMA comes down, and you should just be selling sterling again. Okay, but don't sell it now because you may be hurt. Okay, since the price is not making lower low, but making higher low and higher highs. All right, what we can do is we can go to forward chart. You can see that this 89 EMA comes down, okay, and press reject the price twice. So we can understand that now the key selling zone is actually here, okay, about 1.1338, 1.14, right? Of course, we can rely on this 89 EMA, and even a good data cannot actually goes up beyond this 89 EMA. So you can actually sell sterling based on forward chart, this 89 EMA strategy. That is good, okay? But longer term, I will still think that I would like to wait for the price to come back and retest this, and then ultimately I hope that it can break a correction channel like this. Okay, I really need the price to break down this channel, right, so that it will continue again. Okay, so I will not touch sterling for this week, right? Okay, let's go back to gold. Okay. Gold is bearish, and we have nice short in last non-farm payroll day, and this is a very good structure. Okay, the neckline, right? This neckline here, breakdown, pullback, and candles goes above. 89 EM is still above, so you just maintain bearish. And right now the price is trying to consolidate in the 1290 area, so there might be some small pullback, okay, from this support. But I will say that this support will kind of be broken in the next week or next month. Okay, so in 1 hour chart, well, we do find the price is quite in a range, right? Sideways markets. So 1284 to 1290, there's some support. 1303 to 1308 is a strong resistance. So what you can do is you can buy low, sell high, or sell high, buy low. That's okay. And do attention that there is 618 level, which is here, and the price seems that respect this area a lot. Okay, so what I'm thinking for short term wise, we can consider to buy the 618 and look for a rally to 1304 or 1306 again. And I hope that the gold can give me a rally to let me to sell a higher place such as 1316. Okay, I will be very, very interested to sell gold at this area. Okay, that's my killing zone, right? Because I do want to sell high. Okay, remember we can also identify the ABCD patterns here, right? Which tells you it's almost the same area. You can see here. So believe it or not, I may just do a small or short-term buy, stop loss below the low, and I hope that I can get the rally, and until 1317 I can make a short again for this ABCD completion plus the structure. All right. In fact, this is actually a Gardy patterns, right? Yeah, this is a Gardy pattern. So, but right now the C point is not clear yet. Right, not clear. This C point, we don't know whether it's going to break down or not, but since that is 618 level, so the price may have some kind of support, and we do see some rally from this level. So as long as 1290 is supported, we can actually consider to buy gold, all right, and aim 1307 and even 1317, right? That will be and then we can continue to short at this level. Okay, longer term still bearish. Longer term still bearish. Remember. Okay, and for the oil, okay, we have very nice short in there till here, right? Actually, that is 1 week ago. Okay, we have a beautiful short from the 72 level. Okay, 72. You can see here, right? And the price just dropped to 864. Wow, this is like 800 pips. And if you short only by one lot, you made 8,000 profit, right? And this is a very great trade. Okay, all right. And I want to highlight that during the bearish move, there are some inside bar occurred, right? For example, this one. Okay, this is a inside bar. Okay, good inside bar here. You can see. Okay, mother bar, inside bar breaks down and continue, right? And this is another inside bar here, right? Mother bar, inside bar breaks down, and another inside bar breaks down, right? And when price drop too much, okay, don't chase low. You aim for a reversal. Where does the price pull back to? Right, look left. Okay, we have this area previously acting as a support. Okay, so yeah, again, if you understand how to draw structure, you should be able to catch this pullback plus a pin bar, right? Plus a structure breakdown and a pullback. You can see here there's a structure breakdown pullback, right? The price just breaks down 67.86 again and pull back to this. You can see this wick, right? If you catch this short, wow, that's also very beautiful. Okay, so oil, I will say maintain bearish because the longer term uptrend channel seems to be over. Okay, you can see here it's kind of over. All right, so end of this bullish trend, it breaks down the channel. All right, so any pullback you can actually short and until the price all the way goes to 59 or 58. I will say longer term I will look for this level 55.21. All right, I think it's easily to go to that level. Okay, so just remember my words. Okay, oil is bearish and we want to sell the pullback, we want to sell the structure, we want to sell the lower high. Okay, good. And let's go back to dollar yen. Okay, I'll just talk about the market. Right, the dollar yen has a very nice, decent pullback, quite close to the double tops. Double bottoms neckline, but the price didn't really give me the chance. However, it formed an inside bar, guys. Do you see that? This is an inside bar, right? Okay, mother bar, inside bar, and inside bar after the inside bar and break out. Okay, so you should actually take the break up trade you buy from 109, and now you are earning 70-80 pips. All right, and if your stop loss based on inside bar, your stop loss should be below the pin. Okay, 108.27. All right, so 70 pips for 78 pips, 121 already, and it may goes even higher. All right. It may go even higher so that you can enjoy a 1-2. I think that's no problem, right? 1-1, see, 1-2 is here and it's kind of close to the structure 110.79. Okay, so dollar yen still bullish and just hold your long position if you catch this inside bar break up. All right, that is good. Okay, so let's move on. We'll go to Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, nice pullback, and I just say that the price just come back to the 89 EMA. And after today's interest decision, Aussie didn't actually move up. All right, so we take a short from 0.7634, and now we are earning. Okay, we are earning. So this structure acting as a very nice resistance, and is also our 89 EMA resistance. All right, so hold your short, and I hope that all the can goes complete on my 2 targets and even longer. All right, goes to all the way to 0.72. Okay, Kiwi dollar, same thing. Okay, the price rally, and this kind of rally is quite weak because it's look here how hard it dropped, and the rally just becomes so reluctant. And look left, there's some structure here, right? The key structure is here, Okay, it cannot break through 0.7050. Of course, if you short Aussie, you don't trade Kiwi because it's actually redundant. Okay, so just watch it, right? And let's go to dollar Canada. Okay, dollar Canada maintained bullish, right? And I said last time the dollar CAD has a very strong support at here. Okay, 1.2750. Okay, and every time it comes here, you should buy, and goes up. Don't chase. Use the 618 level. You can catch another buy from 1.2858. Right, you can catch a buy from here. All right, and right now the price is all the way going up. So I will feel the dollar CAD will maintain bullish all the way to 1.34 level. Right, it may goes up to 1.34 level or 1.3387. Right, because in generally, okay, you can see all the moving averages still below the price, which tells you it is an uptrend and it is in a kind of a channel, right? Yeah, so this channel will work. Okay, push the price continue up to 1.32 and 1.34. All right, so buy the low and hold your line. All right, don't sell. Don't use any resistance or any structure to sell because the trend is up and the oil is dropping and dollar is increasing the rate, so it's strong DXY, weak commodity. All right, good. So last thing, let's go into talk about S&P. S&P hits into very strong resistance, as I mentioned last week. So 2747. All right, if the price cannot go above this zone, you can take a short. All right, you can take a short here, but be remember that your stop loss should be just above this 2 pin, which is 2761 or 2662. Okay, you are relying on this kind of a structure or supply zone to take a short, and hopefully the price can go back to touch the 89 EMA. Okay, so it is don't chase the high, don't buy the high. All right, take some profit if you have a long position. All right, I will feel that the price is moving, facing strong resistance at this stage. Okay, and for Bitcoin, the price is drops a lot and comes back to the neckline here. All right, and this neckline really make a very good support, and the price goes up, break the channel. Okay, so good news for the Bitcoin. So the price may have another rally. Okay, from here from 75, okay, 75K. Okay, it may have this rally soon. All right, so just hold your alarms. All right, of course I have make it very clear that if you want to buy Bitcoin, don't use any leverage. All right, so just buy and hold. Okay, just treat it as a stocks. Okay, treat it as an asset so that you won't be margin call. Okay, do not use any leverage to buy Bitcoin because the fluctuation is too high. Okay, it's so volatile. All right, any margin players will be swiped out. Okay, for 20% drop. Okay, if you're using like 5 times or 10 times leverage, you're done. Okay, so don't use leverage to buy Bitcoin. But if you treat as an asset, it's okay to have this one. Okay, good. So that's all for today, and I will upload this video to YouTube, and hopefully you you guys come to watch it as soon as possible because the market is still running. And lastly, okay, the Pro Trader course, okay, I have said the promotional price is end to 1st of June, all right, but due to the high demand, okay, a lot of people are still, deciding to join my class, all right? Although there's already hundreds of students come to take my course at a promotional price, all right? So, all right, I will decide to make another 10 days of extension of this promotion period. So to June 15th, okay, June 15th, okay? Still another 10 days, all right, the last 10 days to reserve at the 2,000 price, okay, because this is a really very great deal, okay. I can tell you guys a lot of people come to all the students come here, and yesterday we just made a very special tutorial. You can see how good the quality is of the tutorial. Let me just show you, okay. You can see here, okay, this is a special tutorial for students yesterday, okay, 2018-06-05, and this content is last for 2 hours. Okay, it's almost 2 hours, and I just touch out any good patterns or fibs. I use a lot of works. Okay, so this is how I give the future consultation and give the future insight to all my students. Okay, so it's really, if you want to learn how to trade professionally, how to understand the market move and always doing the right thing, okay, how to identify those profitable patterns as what I did, how to choose the correct stop loss, choose the correct profit taking level, how to plan your trade and trader plan. All right, so email me. All right, send me an email to sunrisejack@hotmail.com. Okay, you can just reserve my Pro Trader Transformation course at a very, very special discount price. Okay, so after June 15th, the price will be gone. Okay, so there's 10 days for you to join to secure this good deal, good investment for your brain, for your system, and for your education. Right? Trust me, it's really worth that, because you will actually earn a lot of money. You understand how the professional traders work, and you know how to fight with those good traders. Okay, join them, join the good traders, join the professional traders. Don't be a novice trader. That's the basic thing. Okay, be professional so that you can earn money in the future, right? But in the first, you need to invest yourself and make your own trading system. Okay, see you guys next week. I'm trying my best to give another webinar in the next week. And for those pairs, currency pairs, oil and gold, you can watch my videos over and over again and see what can we do. All right, so longer term, still dollar is strong. Okay, dollar is strong. Okay, so yeah, end of here. Plan your trade and trade your plan. TNT Sunrise. Project, your best friend and your good mentor. Right, see you next time. Bye bye.